Today we'll be making chicken noodle cups. Chicken salad noodle cups. You're going to be needing about 1.5 cup of rice noodle. Fix your rice noodle according to your package. About a pound of chicken thigh meat cut in very small pieces. And it has to be a thigh meat. Then we have rainbow salad mix. Make sure it's well smallly chopped. 2 tablespoons cilantro. 1 red chili. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 cup chopped onions. 5 chopped garlic, very thickly crushed. And 1 tablespoon ginger, very thickly crushed. Dressing, we're going to be using miso dressing on our salad. And for lettuce cups, we're going to be using iceberg lettuce. Make sure it's nicely washed. You take the outside out. You can use your cooking scissors to cut the ends out and make them in a cup shape, just like that. It's very, it don't have to be too big, too small, just enough to hold your salad. And also you can use a little bit of sesame oil. To fix our chicken, we're going to be using our pan here. Add your oil to your pan. Wait till it's ready. Like our oil's ready, we're going to go ahead and add our garlic to our oil. And give just less than a minute before we add our ginger to it. Stir a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and add our ginger and our onions. We don't want to get our garlic burned. Make sure it's cut perfectly here, not too burned. Stir a little bit here when you're done using your spoon here. Add our red chili to our onions and give it less than a minute. Now I'm going to go ahead and just pour a little bit of my sesame oil to my onion. Once your onion's ready, go ahead and add your chicken to your mix here. Make sure you space your chicken a little bit here so you can fry this. And now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of salt to give a taste to it. Alright, a little bit mixed here. Now we're going to cook this for about less than 5 minutes uncovered under medium heat. Because if we're going to cover it, it's going to release a lot of water, so we don't want too much water in here. We're going to make sure we cook this uncovered. Okay, my chicken's coming out really good, so I'm going to go ahead and add my cilantro to my chicken. Stir a little bit. Make sure it's well cooked. I give an extra time to my chicken instead of less than 5 minutes, maybe about 8 minutes to it. Make sure it's well done. So now I'm ready to turn my stove off and let it cool down for a little bit. Okay, we are ready to dress our chicken noodle salad cups. So we have our lettuce cups here, all clean and washed and trimmed with our cooking scissors. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our rainbow salad to our cups here. There you go. And then, so we have our rainbow salad in there. we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken to a cup. You can add about 2 tablespoons, just enough. And we're gonna go ahead and add our noodle, our rice noodle on top of that. Garnish with little green onions there. Here we have chicken noodle salad cups. Very delicious looking salad. I trim my salad, my lettuce cups a little bit to make a perfect fit here. If you look at it, it came out very delicious looking with miso dressing. And also I garnish a little bit with red bell peppers to give some color to it. It has miso dressing on it. There's individual cups, very delicious. And you can enjoy this anytime. Okay, and thank you very much for watching.